Hi everyone, this is Abhinav from PhoneBunch and today we are unboxing the Moto E 4G. Now we have already unboxed the 3G variant. Only difference between the boxes, it says 4G on the 4G variant. Well, we have got it in white color this time around. We got the 3G variant in black color. And it now comes with the 1.2 GHz quad-core Snapdragon 410 instead of Snapdragon 200. It's a quad-core processor, Adreno 306 GPU, same 4.5-inch QHD IPS display, Corning Gorilla Glass, 1 GB RAM, 8 GB ROM, 5 megapixel rear and VGA front-facing camera with a 2390 mAh battery. The battery is still non-removable. So here you can see that's a Moto E 4G variant, 2015 model. Let's see what else we have inside the box. So you'll get similar accessories, a white headset. It did sound alright in our review. You have your wall charger. It's not a USB wall charger, wired wall charger here. And here is your getting started guide in Hindi, English. So that's all the documentation that there is and quite a lot of it there. Now the Moto E 4G is retailing for Rs 7,999 from Flipkart. So here's the Moto E folks in white color. There are some specifications again which we have talked about. On the left there is nothing, at the top 3.5 audio jack. On the right, power lock and unlock button and volume rocker, very sturdy. And you have this grippy sort of a feel on it. It's textured. At the bottom, you have your micro USB data syncing and charging port. At the back, you have your secondary noise cancellation mic, 5 megapixel camera. The back has a very nice soft touch, rubberized sort of matte finish, which makes it very good to hold. Now, it's one of the most solid handsets available in the market at the present moment. Now, as you might be aware, only the side band of the new Moto E is removable. So you can see right there, you can get these in different colors separately from Flipkart. So it's a dual SIM device. The 4G variant is also dual SIM and supports up to 32 gigs of micro SD card storage. Now we already got those side bands for the 3G variant. I'll just apply one of these. So let me just get that in order. It's a very snug fit over here. We have already done a review on the side bands. You can have a look at that. I'll have a card right up top. These look really neat and completely change the look of the device. Very solid fit and finish over here. Now let me just remove this plastic sheet and we'll power on the phone for the very first time. So you have a 2390 mAh non-removable battery over here. So you can see right here the phone is big and powering on. Let's talk about the front. Proximity and light sensors, your main earpiece as well as the speakerphone up top and a VGA front-facing camera, 4.5-inch QHD IPS display, Corning Gorilla Glass protection and buttons this time around are on screen. So I'll come back after setting up the device and folks, here we are right on the home screen. So no bloatware over here. Stock build of Android 5.0.2 Lollipop. Your notification shade right here as well. Now you do have the option to choose user accounts. So you can switch multiple user profiles. Let's get into settings. So you can see right here it's running Android 5.0.2 right out of the box and will be upgraded to Android 5.1 Lollipop as well. Out of that 8 GB ROM, you have 4.57 GB storage available and it seems USB OTG is also supported. Let's check that out. And I've inserted my USB OTG pen drive. Now app should be movable just as it was on the 3G variant. And you can see right here USB OTG is mounted. So USB OTG works on the 4G variant. I'll just play a 1080p video over here. And it plays flawlessly. Smooth playback, no stutter, no lag whatsoever. So you have 474 MB of RAM that's free right now and we have several apps open. So when the phone is idle, you might have more memory free. Now Motorola uses an almost stock build of Android on most of its smartphones, but it does add a few very good options. So you have the Moto Assist available right here. You can customize it with your sleep timing, so no notification would be shown. You have Moto Actions, so twist to open up the camera app, very handy feature. And you have Moto Display which shows notifications like active display that was available on the Moto X directly onto your screen. So there's no notification LED over here. Now let's come to the display. So you have a 4.5-inch QHD panel, but this panel is a bit different from the 3G variant. It seems a bit brighter. I'll compare that with the 3G variant in a short while. Colors do look good over here, but yes, contrast levels are still not that great. Blacks do look a bit grayish and text does look pixelated. But even then, it's a good enough display. The touch response is excellent and you have Corning Gorilla Glass protection here as well. Now this really is the most handy feature of the new Moto E. Double twist to open up the camera app. You have your settings on the left, gallery on the right. You have your manual control over focus and exposure. It's one of the easiest camera interfaces to use, and now you can capture 720p videos with the 4G variant. On the 3G variant, you can only capture 480p. Moreover, you can have your slow motion video capture right here as well. You have a timer built in, you can tag location, you can choose whether to capture in widescreen or in standard 5 megapixel 4:3 aspect ratio. Now let me quickly capture an image, and you can see that color reproduction is actually very good here. Colors do appear natural. I'll just show the object as well. Now not a lot of detail, but not a lot of noise here as well. Now let's come to the software. So this phone is running an almost stock build of Android 5.0.2. No bloatware over here, some great Motorola additions. So all the bells and whistles of Android Lollipop are present here. You have your priority interruptions mode available here as well. And you do have user profiles, so you can go ahead and set up multiple user accounts on your phone, each with a separate app space. Now you have screen pinning available here, so only one app will be accessible to the user. You can have it password protected as well, so only the single app could be used. And to exit it, what you need to do is tap on the back as well as recent apps key together. Now let's come to web browsing. So we'll open PhoneBunch.com. Here's your Lollipop keyboard. Great to type on. So we have opened up our mobile website. Scrolling is a breeze over here. Now the Snapdragon 410 is a 64-bit SoC and performs brilliantly. Smooth scrolling, text and images appear quickly. Pinch to zoom is very smooth here as well. Now even in terms of general use, I didn't notice any lag over here, but it was the same with the 3G variant as well. But the Snapdragon 410 is definitely far more power efficient and powerful than the Snapdragon 200 with its Cortex A53 cores. Now if we compare both the 3G and 4G variant, you have the 3G variant on the right in black color. The display on the 4G variant is slightly brighter. The color reproduction also seems a bit different. You can see it right here. Now I'll just show you on Chrome as well. The whites do look different. The 4G variant has a slightly more yellowish tone than the 3G variant. You can see in the app drawer as well. But performance wise, they are pretty much similar. Build also is absolutely same. You have the same 5 megapixel camera at the back, same grippy side covers, same build quality throughout. Now let's check performance. We launch the same apps. Now apps open up at the same time. You can see it right here. So performance wise, there is not a major difference between the two. But yes, you would notice that in general usage. So in terms of general app performance, these are neck to neck. I can see we have opened up the Play Store, and here the Moto E 4G opened it a bit faster, but that depends more on the network connectivity. Well folks, that was a quick look at the new Moto E 4G variant, which is now available from Flipkart for ₹7,999. It's really a no-brainer. You should get the 4G variant. It's future-proof with its 64-bit support. It's 4G LTE cable as well. Now again, it comes with excellent build quality, and we will be comparing it with the 3G variant as well. Its camera, general performance, apart from what we have done today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. It really helps. You'll get our videos faster as well. Stay tuned to PhoneBunch.com, and as always, have a great day.